Hey, welcome to another Flux video where I'm going to be explaining you how to earn with Flux. So you can use Flux to mint and borrow FUSD, but what if you don't like borrowing? What if you just want some lazy money, some easy yield? Then we also have a solution for you. First of all, we start this arduous journey through Flux by connecting our wallet. Arguably the easiest task you'll be faced with today. Let's select our Flux test persona and our Flux test wallet. We can switch between wallets in the top right here, but let's go with the Flux test wallet right now. So we want to earn yield. Hence, we go to the Earn page. Here, we can see some Flux reservoirs. These Flux reservoirs are pools of FUSD, and they are used to handle liquidations, to liquidate loans that are in danger of being under collateralized. So what this means is the FUSD within these pools protects the protocol. The FUSD is used to pay off debts of people that have loans that are dangerous to the protocol, that are in danger of becoming under collateralized. So it's very important that people use their FUSD within these pools and they deposit it here. So in order to get people to do that and to reward you for protecting the system, we give you some FUSD yield. This yield comes from the interest that is paid by borrowers. At the moment, it's 65% of all interest that has been paid or is paid by borrowers goes into these stability pools. But this is obviously subject to change. So, if we want to put some money into this Flux reservoir, by the way, every collateral that can be used to mint or borrow FUSD has its own Flux reservoir. So risks are compartmentalized a little bit. So we can see these also have different APRs, and we see that the APR on the XRD Flux reservoir is currently higher, so it might be good to deploy or deposit our FUSD into this pool. Let's do this. I want to deposit 50 FUSD and make some yield. Click the sign transaction button. We click the button, and that should give us a pop-up in our wallet. It is not popping up right now, which means that this stupid wallet is doing things again. I will close it and open it up again. That usually fixes the problem. And as you see, the problem is fixed. You can see this transaction that has been sent to our wallet. We will deposit 50 FUSD and we will get back XRD FUSD, which is a pool token used to denominate your share in this Flux reservoir. We can see it's worth exactly 50 FUSD, and there's currently no XRD that is in the Flux reservoir. Sometimes, this is good to add, there can be XRD in the Flux reservoir, because when a liquidation occurs, the rewards are in XRD, and these rewards are given back to the Flux reservoir depositors because their FUSD was used to do this liquidation. This XRD reward is almost always higher than the used FUSD, so the overall value of the pool will go up. However, there will be some exposure to XRD. And this is not how we want these Flux reservoirs to function. So, in order to prevent this and to ensure that all depositors are only exposed to FUSD, so they just gain yields on dollars, easy as that, we've made it so that everyone can buy this XRD that is inside of the Flux reservoirs. There's currently none, against a very small discount. this means it's not really that much of a loss to the flux reservoir depositors. They will still make a big profit or a significant profit from liquidations. However, their exposure to XRD will be worked out of the protocol, worked out of the pool, because if we give a small discount to buying XRD from this pool, then people will do it and they will arbitrage out the XRD. So this is good to know. If we now go back, we can see that we do indeed have a little deposit into this pool, and we are going to be earning some fees, some yield. So that's great. But we might think that enough yielding, enough earning for me. For now, I want my money back. Well, it's very simple. Just go to the exact same page, but instead of being on the deposit tab, you click withdraw. Let's withdraw all. And then we click confirm withdraw. I see there's a small issue here. I will fix this. We shouldn't withdraw everything because the rounding is not completely correct, but this will be fixed. Don't worry. We can click withdraw, and you can see that we will get back our 50 FUSD. Not exactly 50 because we removed a little bit of the pool units because I was too bad at rounding. But let's sign this and we will get back our FUSD. As simple as that. Earning yield, very easy. I hope you'll do it. And if you want to know more about this, join our Telegram. You can do so in the description. Goodbye.